It's time to meet Woody. They are the guardian of the house. They are serious, conscientious, meticulous, and careful. They ensure that the duties and tasks assigned to them are done properly and adequately. They have an overbearing sense of responsibility, and they pay attention to details and often have vivid memory. They like the scent of wood, incense, earth after rain, and herbs. To them, duty comes above all. They choose jobs that offer them job security over other things. They do well as doctors, accountants, librarians, loan officers, childcare workers, purchasing managers, tax examiners, tellers, opticians, dentists, and building managers. They seek balance in personal and professional life, often working too hard at both fronts. Their friends often ask them to lighten up a little. They pride themselves as being a good parent that provides well for the family's well-being, while being a worker their organization can depend on. Woody are called perfect planners, but not good planners. They plan everything according to time, not according to their feelings. For them, comfort of everyone in the family or friend circle comes before their own. They dress traditionally and conservatively and look prim and proper most of the time.